Guys, it's Dakota and welcome back. This week's video is gonna be me eating these. A lot of them. Seeing how many of these I can eat in under minutes. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I got my bucket ready. Hopefully I won't have to use it. Got my stopwatch ready. Got the peppers ready. And I'm ready. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna... Ooh, smell that. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so whenever you're ready, I'm ready. Just kidding, I'm procrastinating. 1 minute on the clock. Go. Yep. One more. No. I'm dying. Yeah guys, that's this week's video. I hope you enjoyed that. I had fun doing that challenge. It was very hot, it still is. My tongue is swelling up, I can hardly speak. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would help me out a ton. Subscribe if you're new here. I will see you guys next week. I'm going to Press Play Dallas this weekend, so I hope to meet as many of you guys as I can there. It's gonna be great. If you want to come and stop by, tickets are in my bio on Instagram and Twitter. My Twitter is I'm Dakota Brooks and my Instagram is I'm Dakota. So go buy your tickets, and I will see you guys next week.